Good afternoon guys, and this is a very quick video for this Alpine INE-W720DC. So this is the 7-inch dedicated motorhome navigation system with wired Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. Now we have fitted this in a 2024 Ducato 8, and it's a Benimar model. And this particular vehicle came to us as an open dash. I'm just going to reach over and unlock my phone for Apple CarPlay to work. That's fine. Now, open dash, if you've never heard of that phrase before, is when the vehicle is 2 storage pockets and no radio prep whatsoever. And we have then fitted an Alpine head unit with an Alpine fitting kit and an Alpine interface loom. It's talking and communicating to the steering wheel controls for telephone answer and end and volume, track, search, seek, pause, all the usual features and functions. No interaction with the instrument cluster, but we have got a lovely in-dash unit with built-in navigation. Built-in navigation is the familiar sort of template that you've seen before with the I think it's Navi Extras or Primo navigation system on there. From the minute we fit it, you get 3 years free map updates, and it's connected to the GPS up on the dashboard. So if you haven't got signal for wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, have no fear, because you've got this. But because it's a DC model, it also means that you can enter your vehicle height, weight and length, so that you're not taken down narrow road or low bridge or etc, etc. So going back to the unit, very standard Alpine protocol. You've got FM, you've got digital radio, you've got Bluetooth, you've got USB ×1, we've got reversing camera, so I just put that into reverse like so. You've got the reversing camera that we have supplied and fitted, quick access to the reversing camera, and then you've got things like Alpine Apple CarPlay. Not Alpine, you've just got Apple CarPlay. As I said, this is wired Apple CarPlay. This is not wireless like some of the newer models. So we can just go in here, change the wallpaper, something I like to do, like so. And you've got all the mod cons that you're used to having. It's just wired, not wireless. So this is the Alpine INE-W720D, but this is the DC, so this is the camper model. You don't have to have the dedicated navigation for camping. It's just an extra £100 for the software for Alpine to preload, but people do like it because it's an in-dash model with the row of buttons, but still also talks to your steering wheel control. And not everyone is into the big floaty sticky out screens like you're seeing with a lot of the other brands, Pioneer and Alpine. But the INE-W720D and DC is a really, really popular bit of kit. So going back to the main navigation system here, this here means that you don't have to have signal for your phone for Apple CarPlay, and will get you routed through all the areas and roads that you do want to do, and not that you don't want to go down, or that you don't want to go down, unlike some of them do. Now, in here also, we haven't done any audio upgrades. We've just done a reversing camera, but we have combined it with the genuine Alpine fitting kit and integration loom. So if you've got a vehicle like this, open dash or with a factory radio, and you're after a decent, good quality head unit with or without navigation, get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thank you for watching.